Hello Android users, if you want to pay through your WhatsApp directly on any contact, right? So how do you connect your Paytm to your WhatsApp in an Android phone? Now go to the WhatsApp on any chat, right? And you see option of that rupee symbol in a circle, right? You tap there and it will be asked add your account, right? So you have to add your account whichever it is. So I am tapping on Union Bank. Right now I'm going to verify it as I allow WhatsApp to send me SMS etc. Right now verify your phone number. Now we are on the third step, which is finding your accounts. Like using this number you will be connected with your accounts. Now that you have added your details also, so now it will lead you to further. Now the screen is not visible as it is not allowed, but you see there is a process of adding your whole account details. Then you will add the details asked by WhatsApp. You will have to wait for a while, and then you see that you can send your payment directly on WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Tada! Try yourself if your WhatsApp is not connected to Paytm. Tada!